Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about logarithmic equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about ln8 to the power of b equals to b ln8. So this one, we need to transform this one into this one. And we have 625 ln(s) equals to number 4. Later that we divide both sides by 625. Next, we have the second formula in here. That is about e to the power of ln8 equals to capital 8. Now, this one, we need to put e for the both sides. So this one, we need to transform into this one, and we have s. And this is the final answer. The question number 2, we put about ln for the both sides. And this one is similar for this formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one, and we have negative s ln number 6 equals to ln 30. And now we divide both sides by negative and ln number 6. So we have the final answer. Now let's go to the last one. So this one we apply the formula in here, and we have s ln number 4 we divide both sides by ln number 4. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.